Hello, welcome back to the brand new session of Certified Ethical Hacking Program, and this is a session of module summary of system hacking, that is a module 6. In this module, we discuss in detail various phases involved in a system hacking, such as gaining access, escalation privileges, maintaining access, and covering tracks, or you can say clearing logs. We also discuss the different techniques and tools attackers employ to gain access to the target system. This module also discusses various tools and techniques attackers use to escalate their privileges. It explained various techniques such as the execution of malicious applications like keyloggers, spyware, rootkits, etc. Maybe anti-FS stream manipulation, steganography, and stag analysis, which attackers use to maintain remote access to the target system and steal critical information. So it also elaborate on the various techniques used by attackers to erase all the evidence of the compromise from a target system. The various countermeasures that should be employed to prevent system hacking attempts, along with various software protection tools, were discussed. So in the next module, we will discuss in detail the various malware threats. Yes, malware and threats. So join us for the next session.